Snow's picking up out here.
That's no kidding. Well, we just got the fire going and we are doing our first team challenge. Took 4 of us from the office here and came up on the mountain to do a competition of who can make the best backcountry meal. Parameters were that you have to be under 3 pounds for food and anything that you would use to cook it that wouldn't normally be in your backpack for a multi-day trip. All right, Jake, what are you making?
All right, well, for today's delicacy, what we have in store is going to be a delicious mix of boiled cinnamon apples paired with vanilla ice cream is what we're going to be making for today. It's not unreasonable to bring ice with you on your backcountry adventures, and with just 16 ounces of some half and half mixed with sugar, some vanilla extract, and then of course your ice cream salt, a guy can pretty easily make a nice bowl of ice cream in their gear full Nalgene. So that's what we're going to be doing today.
I'm actually quite excited to see this. Quite a bit different from what I'm doing. I decided to go simple, just keep it to meat and potatoes. So today we're doing a thick cut ribeye steak with a cognac glaze and mashed potatoes as a side.
All right, well, anyone who knows me knows that I brought a knife to a gunfight here. Rather minimalist. I don't do this kind of cooking thing, but for the sake of team building and the request of my children, here we go.
Is that top ramen?
Yeah. So we've got spicy mango chicken sausage. We got a couple camp cleaning necessities. I've got some chocolate chip cookies that I'll make on a flat pan. Some basic ramen, some cut up sweet peppers. There's the meat pre-diced, but we'll see how it turns out. That looks good.
Promise, what do you got?
All right, I've already pre-unloaded my pack. Got a little hasty, but I have some wild Alaskan caught scallops, harvested. Do you catch scallops?
I don't know.
Okay, harvested scallops.
They're not very good at running away.
Paired with a shallot and white wine pasta.
Dude, this is so thick. This is gonna take you forever to cook on that. You know how long it's gonna take me to make my ice cream? 10 minutes.
Promise looks like she's set up for a full kitchen. What's your process look like?
I gotta start with the vegetable broth, cook up the scallops, and begin my process of adding the white wine, broth, and cream.
Jake, see, you're boiling water for ice cream. I'm not sure that I understand that.
I'm going to boil the apples for just 4 minutes. I just put ice and ice cream salt in the bottom of this, and I'm going to massage it into my gear full Nalgene. Just like that. All right, we've got that sausage and the peppers and some onion on the tin foil. We're gonna default right to the open fire for warming this while I do the ramen on the jet boil at the same time. We're ready to go.
What's in there?
I'm gonna start with the scallops. I'm gonna sear them and then set them to the side.
I wonder how the steak's doing. I am a little worried about the timeline of this.
Making ramen on a flash where there's no regulator is a delicate process. Just making my ice cream. I think I got a good chance of winning this, Brady.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna start. Uh-oh. Cook it in halves.
Hopefully it fits. Nope. All right. No.
Are you got one? Brady, this is looking good now.
You guys are having a little more faith once it's out of the tin foil. Oh, hey. How close are we, promise?
We're making the sauce.
What's in the jet boil?
Noodles. We're boiling. I'm boiling. No, we are boiling.
What are you saying, girl?
Boiling linguine.
Oh, look at you.
Cast your eyes in this direction here, folks.
Dude, that looks tasty.
That
Look.
smells amazing. It'd have to be a
Damn,
lift
that's
in
half
lower.
my meal.
Oh, yeah.
So I go on the record that I beat Jake in his ice cream for timing.
My ice cream's done. I'm just
Shaking it
for fun.
dramatic effect. That looks good, I might add.
It does look good.
Go ahead and kill that camera now, Brady.
Are we missing? What is the chili flavor down there?
I don't put it in because it's like
What?
super high sodium.
Can I
You
offer
didn't
some
put the-
salt and pepper?
You didn't put the ramen seasoning in?
I don't. I never do though.
What? Oh, yeah.
Starch.
All right, folks, get your spoons because dessert is served right there. Boom. Try that out. It's good, huh?
That is amazingly good.
Wow.
What is that, brown sugar or what is that?
Yeah,
That's what makes it, that with the apple crisp.
and some graham cracker crumble. over it.
I've never said this in my life, but I'm gonna need you to share that recipe.
All right.
Let's see.
It was really easy to do.
Ice cream on a snowy day is surprisingly satisfactory. Nice work, Jake.
Thank you.
It just looks cool being in that little container.
It does.
A little puck.
You got that going for you.
Okay, it's going. There. Jake?
I like it. Brady, that turned out a lot better than I was expecting.
Uh-huh.
Good. No, not that bite.
I want one that's cooked.
That's not a good
No,
bite.
I want the
No,
cooked
no,
one.
that's not.
There we go. That sauce is all cognac. Like, that's all it is.
Go for a little chili oil over
Whoa.
Right? Mm-hmm. That's like, that's just alcohol.
You need a little more
That is all
flame
that
on your sauce.
is. Alcohol did not burn off.
Potatoes are good. Are
Okay.
those Idahoan kind of potatoes or what?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
How's your steak?
Could have made the potatoes really easily. The potatoes definitely carried this meal.
Oh, yeah,
Potatoes,
for
10
sure.
out of
Just
10.
do loaded mashed potatoes.
Yeah, really, the potatoes were worthwhile.
And a hot dog. I thought
This
that'd be
not
really-
really worth it. Potatoes.
This is actually coming together now. I had
Oh,
my
yeah.
doubts.
Oh, it's gonna be
That's
good.
That's looking like it's gonna be all right.
Here we go. How do you think you did?
I think it's good.
Oh.
Not my best one of these.
The hesitation, though. All right. Does this taste fishy?
Pour it on here.
That was good.
With like clean spoon. It's edible. That was good. It is good. I'm impressed.
Time to vote.
Sure.
I appreciated the ice cream and the apples. I will
you.
sway in your direction.
Oh, thank you, Promise.
Forrest?
I'll go for the steak and potatoes.
Yes.
Hard not to.
Okay, I gotta try a scallop before. I didn't eat an actual scallop. So this will determine.
Have you had scallops before?
Not really.
Oh boy.
I'm
He
actually
doesn't know if he's
afraid.
allergic.
A first time impression.
Like calamari.
Yeah. I don't like calamari. And for that reason,
You can go red meat.
yeah, I gotta go with the steak and potatoes. Unfortunately.
Brady?
Well, I'd have to go with the pasta, I think. Most creative.
We got 1 for pasta.
So
2
you
for...
knew you won because you already had 2 votes, and you threw your vote to your girlfriend.
Well, he can't vote for himself.
And I wasn't going to vote for Jake.
I knew it! Corruption! That's why we needed to do a secret ballot.
I'm gonna pack up.
Honestly, I picked yours for the mashed potatoes, Brady. I just like the mashed potatoes with the Parmesan and hot sauce.
The mashed potatoes turned out really good.
The best part.
A lot better than the steak.
So mashed potatoes, those instant mashed potatoes, that's a legitimate option.
It is.
So, I mean, ramen obviously is a staple. Scallops are, in fact, not. But, I don't know. There's a lot of ways you could have fun. Friends and family on the mountain in the off season when you don't have a tag in hand. There's no reason not to. So.
I think the potatoes carried out here, though, because it's so cold.
Ooh.
So those are, like, cozy.
That's true.
They're satisfying.